Everything you get with this unit. On each receiver, you'll need to install the button cell battery. This is a CR2032 battery. On the back, there is a battery compartment. Open this up. Install the battery. Put the cover back on. And repeat for the other receivers. You also need to install batteries on the transmitter. It uses 2 AAA batteries. It's not included. With the transmitter batteries installed, when you press a button on the transmitter, the corresponding receiver will sound. Here's a green one. It also comes with these key rings and double-sided tape. We can attach the key ring to the receiver. So for example, I can attach this receiver onto a car key. And if I press a transmitter, it will sound the receiver. If you want, you can also use this double-sided tape, put on the back of the receiver, and then you stick this on remote control or any other items you want to locate in your home. Now this system uses radio frequency to transmit to the receiver, and it has a range of 30 meters and can transmit between floors in your home or between walls. If you're looking for your keys, just press a transmitter. And here it is. It also comes with a stand for you to place your transmitter. This Esky item locator device is a great device to have in your home if you need to locate your keys or purse or even TV remote. Everything works right out of the box. There's no setup or configuration. All you need to do is install the battery in the receiver and it'll start working right away. Overall, this is a very good device to have in your home or office.